In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the storage on your iPhone. So there's actually a few things we can do to go and increase the storage. Now, the first thing is if you open up the settings app on your phone, you can click on your profile name at the top of this window and then click on iCloud. Now, the iCloud is by far the best way to save storage space on your device. Essentially, what's going to happen when you enable iCloud is all of your data is going to be stored on the iCloud, and that means we can go and delete data on our phone as it's going to be stored in the cloud instead of our device. So next to Save to iCloud, click on See All, and you want to go through this list and make sure all of these different things are turned on. Now, the main one is iCloud Photos. You can see this is where most of your storage is going to be used. And if you go and click on this, you want to make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled. And you also want to make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is checked. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window. Now, another way to free up space is by offloading any unused apps on your phone. So if you scroll down on the settings page to General, click on iPhone Storage, and at the top here, you're going to see how much space you actually have left on your device. And if you scroll down here, you're going to see all of these different applications, and this will be ordered by which apps are consuming the most amount of data. Now, what you can do is if you don't use one of these applications that often, is you can go and offload the app. And what that basically means is it will remove the data from your iPhone, but it will keep a copy of this in the iCloud. So your data won't be deleted, it just won't be stored on your iPhone and therefore freeing up space. So let's say, for example, I don't really use CapCut that often, so I'm going to click on this. Rather than deleting the app, I can press Offload App and then just press Offload. So now if I come back over to the home screen on my phone, I'm still going to have the CapCut application here, but basically the data now is stored on the iCloud. And when I click on CapCut, it's going to re-download that data onto my iPhone. So that's another way you can go and save space on your device. Now, another thing you can do is go and open up the settings again on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Safari and go and click on this. Then scroll down to where it says Clear History and Website Data and just click on Clear History. Now, this will remove all of the cache data on your device. That's another way to go and save some space. Now, the final thing we can do is if you go and use the search box, you can search for Files and click on this. You can then click on Browse in the top left hand side, click on My iPhone, and what I like to do is just delete all of the files within this application. Now, obviously you need to make sure there's nothing in here that you actually need, but what I'd recommend doing is just clicking these three horizontal dots in the top right hand side, click on Select, click on Select All. You can then just long press on one of these items and then go and select Delete. And as you can see, that will delete all of the data within the Files app. So those are the main ways you can increase storage space on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.